Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Abhignya Salesforce tutorial. In this section, we are going to discussing to the how to invoke an agent force agents from the flows and how we are going to utilize to the prompt builder. We can discuss to the step by step. So initially invoke an agent to force agent from the flows and how we are going to user intent or user request pass from the flows to agent and agent will be the process to the, that request and send it to the response to the our flow. So we get back to the response from the agent. Usually that response is the in the formatted we are getting, so that response we are going to pass it to the prompt builder. Then prompt builder will be the formatted to the that response. Finally, display that response to the user in a clear and user friendly format. We will cover the complete process with the real-time use case in this tutorial. So you can understand how Agentforce agents, Salesforce Flows prompt builder can work together. So without to delay, we can get started and explore to this step by step. Before we get started, I would like to share quick update with you guys. So I have recently launched my Salesforce Flows Automation masterclass on Udemy. In this, we are going to cover Salesforce Flows from the beginner to advanced level with real-time project and industry-based use cases. If you are interested in learning Salesforce Flows automation and want to work on practical real-world scenarios, please check out the course on Udemy. The Udemy course link is available in the description. Please enroll, watch the tutorial. Start building your Salesforce Flow skills with a real-time project. Thank you. Let's get started without delay today's our tutorial. So before going to start, I will show you the output, how it is the appear after implementation of the our particular use case. In the screen flow, we can able to enter by the product information, enter the search details or enter the product details. Once we can enter by the our detail, click on to the next. It will invoke by the Salesforce agent and get the response and display into the in our screen flow. Let's see, I'm going to take it by the any one of the product. Let's take it by the this is the status also available, right? I am going to pick this one. So I'm entering by the product details. So here find the Lenovo product details. Click on to the next. This request will be the sent to the agent. Agent will be the um, processing to the our request and get back to the response. Okay. Click on to the next. It will take some time. Why? Because means its agent is the running, right? That's why it's take to the some time to the here processing the our request. See here after completed by the request agent send back to the response to that response again I pass it to the prompt builder. Prompt will be the um, giving to the user friendly response here, product name, product code, brand, price, product description and the status. These are all the information providing to the us. So let's see how we are going to implement this use case step by step into the in this tutorial. Now come to the our before going to start. Already we have created this agent and we are set to the product information. Before that, let's click on to the preview. Find the and product details. See here, successfully found product description, price, status, all will be the appear by the here as well. Now let's see how we are going to invoke by this agent from the our flows. So come to the setup. I'm going to take by the flows, creating the new flow. Let's take by the screen flow, screen, search, sales, product details. Okay, header I don't want to. I'm going to remove by the header. User can able to enter the his request now. So that's why I'm taking by the long text area or text. That is your fine. Uh, enter your input or enter the search details. Whatever we can give it by the here. Enter search details. This must be the required. That's why we are going to give it to the required. Click on done. Once they can enter the here inputs, then we need to invoke by the our agent. So we can click on the plus symbol here. We have to observe run agent option will be the appear. Earlier we don't have this. We can in the Salesforce latest updates, it is given by the run agent option here under the interaction. Initially we know that is screen flows, action and subflow only. But now we have the run agent option also be the appear. Click on to the run agent. So here we are not activated, right? That's why it's not appear directly. You can create the new agent option also from the here. Actually, we are not activated by the our agent. That's why it's not showing to the here. Let's commit the version, activate. Now let's back to the our flow. We need to refresh. Before refresh, we are going to save this one. Search sales product details. Save. I think it is showing the already exist. It is showing, I'm not sure. With the agent. Okay. Now here we are going to pass it to the our data to the run agent. So we are passing to the our request to the agent. So we can select by the run agent. Let's refresh once. run agent. Now it is appear. Earlier it is not appear at. Why? Because means we are not activated our agent. Once you are activated your agent, then appear to in the flows. Let's select by our agent. Which agent you want, you can select by that particular agent only. Now here we have to give it by the label sales order management agent. Now here we can pass it to our request agent to request. What is the request for the agent? Usually when you are typing the here request, this is the agent request. Okay, so this request we are now passing from the flow where we are getting the agent request here, right? Enter the search details, right? This is the we need to pass it. Let's come to the here insert screen flow, enter search details. This is the agent request. So this request once agent is received, process our request and get back to the response. That response we are going to store and display to in our screen. Let's take it by the another screen. So this is the agent response display agent response in the insert. Go to the search. This is first one right in the screen. From this screen, sorry, not for the screen, run agent action, right? So this is the action output from the action. So click on to the here. Structured response also be defined, or you have to take it to the response. So here, go to the here, agent response, agent response here. So let's bold it. This is the agent response. Click on done. Click on save. Let's run this for the testing purpose. Let's enter by the product details. This is the product name, right? Find the product details. Click on next. See here, when we are getting the response from the agent, it is displayed by in the JSON format. It is not the formatted, means it is the JSON formatted response only displayed. It is not a user-friendly response. It is displayed the JSON format response only, not for the user-friendly response. For this purpose only, we are going to use it to the prompt builder. From the prompt builder to, we are going to display the response in the user-friendly format. Okay. So now come to the here. Here we are displaying to the agent response. Then how we are going to call it by the our prompt builder. Then display the user-friendly response. Come to the setup. We can choose to the go to the prompt builder. Click on to the new prompt builder. Here we are going to choose to the flex. Why? Because means we need to display our information into in the screen flows. That's why we can use it to the prompt to template type is the flex. Here details is the search product details with agent prompt builder PB. I'm giving to the prompt builder. Okay. Now here we can take it by the any inputs. We need to optional, but we can take it by because we need to pass it to the our information to the this prompt builder, right? Our request means what we are getting the response. That response we need to pass it to the this prompt builder. That's why here we have to take it to the here sales product response from the agent. From the agent, what we have getting now, sales product response from the agent, we are getting by this is the our variable name. Let's take it by here. This is the free text. Why? Because means we are getting by all this into the string format, text format. That's why here we are taking the here text format, free text format. When it is the run, it is the required. Why? Because based on this only, it will be the executed. Click on to the next. Now here we can provide it by the our prompt. So what are the instructions? What is the followed and how to display the our information in which format? All those we can give it to the here. For the time being saving, already I prepared it to the prompt. Let's copy, paste it. So here we are given the you are the Salesforce sales product assistant. Your task is this generate the clear and concise product summary based on to the sales product agent response. Okay. Now here we have the instructor read and sales product agent response summarize to the product details include the available information only. If a field is missing, do not mention it and keep response consistent, easy to read. Okay. Now here input we can give it to the this is the I'm going to give it to the here insert. This is the field, right? We are taking the input field. So sales product from the agent. This is the input field. We have the getting the response from the agent. Now generate the response in the following format. Product summary, product name, product code, brand, price, product description, and status. We need to display to the in this format. So we can prepare our format, prompt format like this. Then it will display the information. Let's save this. Activate. It is the activated. Now back to the our flow. Refresh by the our flow. Now here click on to the plus symbol. Click on to the action. In the action, we are going to call it by the our prompt builder. So search sales product details with the agent, right? PB. We are recently created this one, right? Just before we can select this. This is the prompt builder to we are invoking. So same name. We are going to give it to the here. Now here, this is the input variable we are taken, right? In the prompt builder, we are going to pass it to the our response to this particular input variable. Let's insert actions agent response. This is the agent response we are passing. Earlier, what we have displayed in the screen, same response we are passing to the prompt builder. So prompt builder will be the process our request and display in the user friendly format. That response we need to display in the screen flow. So click onto the screen, prompt builder response. This is the, let's take it to the text. Oh, sorry, display text. So now here, prompt builder response. Prompt builder response. Let's take it by the bold. Let's take it by the 16. So now here we are going to display the response from the prompt builder. See here, this is the our prompt builder response output from the search product details with agent PB. This is the another action, right? This is the response we are getting from the prompt builder. See here, prompt to response. We can select by the prompt response. What is the response getting from the prompt now? That is the displayed to the here. Click on done. Click on save. Let's run it again. So product details, we need to require, yeah, copy, find the product details. Click on next. Initially, it is executing to the agent, means it is invoked by the agent. We are getting the response from the agent like this format. Later, I'm going to click on to the next. It is the sending to the our request to the prompt builder. Prompt builder process our request and displayed by the here proper response. See here, product name, product code, brand, price, product description, and status. Maybe it is not read by the properly, but it is getting by the status as well, product status. So thanks for your prompt attention. This is the message is displayed. Okay, but here we have the displayed by the in the proper format. In the prompt builder, we are displaying now this here, which format we want to display. In that particular format only displayed by the information. Usually, we are not going to display to the user to the this agent response. For our understanding purpose, I am displayed by the agent response also. Directly, once they can enter by the product information, it is displayed to the prompt builder response only. For our understanding purpose, I am displaying to the agent response also. Let's try with to the different product. Let's take it to the this one. Finish. Search sales product. Product details. Search or finder. Anything is fine. Now we are getting to the that particular product details, agent response. Then click on to the next. Prompt response will be the appear now. See here, it is appear by the details. So this is the way to we can invoke by the agents from the flows and how to invoke by the prompt builder from the flows. So depends upon to the requirement, we can work together to the agents and prompt builder. I hope it's clear how it was the implemented. Stay tuned for the more real-time scenarios.